Nasa Cheesecake Factory po kami. Hirap na hirap po kami ng-order.
Hindi namin alam kung
Bakit naman kasi walang picture?
Dapat kasi may picture para ano.
Yan yung comment namin
customer
dito.
friendly.
Lalo na kami mga Pinoy. Mahilig sa picture.
Google. Char, char po. So, inihaw lang pala ito sa uling. Yeah. Tapos, yung item nila galing New York lang. Or baka yung gamit nilang pang... Pinagloloko tayo nito eh. Alam. For this cheesecake?
So the cheesecake.
Yeah.
Normally, like the red velvet, fresh strawberry, classic busk. If you like in chocolate, then Hershey's or salted caramel.
This is one slice, right?
But so, the one slice good for two, right?
Well, it depends.
Yeah.
It depends. Pag nasarapan, di kanya lang. So we're gonna get the original. Alright, and then what else you would want to try?
Which one is the best seller?
The classic Basque cheesecake. What's the difference between classic Basque and the original?
Actually, the classic Basque is the brown cheesecake and it has lots of mixed berries in it.
Mixed what?
Berries.
Oh. Okay.
What about tanongin natin yung ano kaya, yung picture dito, ano kaya yun?
This one, the strawberry?
The strawberry one, the second one.
Ito yun. Ano?
Go.
Okay, we will have
Yeah,
that.
just one, the original one and the strawberry one.
Alright, and then pasta.
Ano, fettuccine na lang?
Ay, tanongin yun, di ba? Tatanungin mo yun.
Which one?
Dear, for the pasta, what can you recommend? Which is the best seller?
This all is the lunch until 5 p.m. only.
No, here.
Yeah, this
Yeah,
one.
this one. Which is the best
So
seller
normally
here?
here, like if you like white sauce, fettuccine alfredo, or carbonara, or mixed pasta pasta, and if you like spicy, then Lucia.
So yun nga lang ang white sauce na tatlo. We don't want the, maybe fettuccine. Ano?
With chicken or without?
Yeah, with chicken. It's
With chicken.
Which one? Alfredo with chicken, right?
Yeah. And for the steak, which you can recommend?
Steak dine is good, or the New York steak? Steak dine or the New York steak? But the steak dine will come small.
Di ba nagpunta na kayo kila Maya?
Oh, malapit.
So, doon ako
Yun. One room siya.
at pang family. Baka pwede namin din sa partition time. Room. Room na.
May kasama ka pa ang iba.
Isang unit yun. Tatlong masters bedroom.
Magkano 3?
May meron siya pang malaki. Oo, yun. Ganda ate. Anong tawag doon? Coffee?
Hindi sa ano sila?
Hindi. Pero katabi ko lang. Andun lang sa kabila.
Queen yan.
Quinto. Ate, yung si Ann ang lahat na? Hindi. Dalawa lang kami. Yung couple, yung mag-asawa sa Pilipinas. So, balik kami. So, yan. Ito mismo. Yes. Ayun no, si Radhi. Tapos may ref naman, may common ref. Kaya lang kasi i-adapt lang ngayon kasama ko sa kabila. So, kapag pare, 400 yun ang sana naman yun. 400, oo. Ito yung 20. Margarita. Huwag na natin kukunin si Arnold. Pati na lang dalawa. Si Arnold. Bland. It's bland. Sabi niya papa na. Kaya, di ba tinanong sabi niya wala? Oo, tapos sa'yo yung dami niya. Talaga. Ito naman. Strawberry. Yan panalo ka. Ganyan ka talaga. Galing. Aral. Ganito yung else na sa'yo magpanalo sa KF. Hindi hinalo. Hinalo? Nahirapan pa tayo. Kasi yung sa KFC, sa Pilipinas, iwalay sa Pilipinas, sila nadala rin ng super. Kasi may mga diabetic na nakakontrol. Binibigyan na lang ng zero. Pero hindi ko alam kasi nakakontrol kami na siya. Sabi naman ito, walang nga tayo ng pantuhan. Walang pagkain nakikita.
Dahil yung sinasabi ko, nagkaroon ako ng introvert side. Kasi pala, siguro ikaw, introvert ka talaga.
Oo, pero
Nagkaka-extra ka dahil ng work, dahil ng kailangan mo makasama. Pero ano mas gusto mo, mag-isa ka lang.
oo.
Ayun.
At saka pag may nakita ko ibang tao, pasok agad ako.
Thank you.
Kaya mo yun.
Milkshake. Patatawa siya sa atin.
Sabi ko,
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health.
introvert ka din. Kasi kung na-enjoy mo yung quietness talaga,
Actually,
yung
friendly siya eh.
ito yung pasta. Ito siya niya. So, diba, ang laki ng serving niya talaga.
Bakit dalawa? Magaling yan mag-slice.
Bite size?
Yung ganun na.
Oo, ate.
Ano?
Slice mo, slice. Slice. Pag ikaw na kaya, ate.
Hindi, okay lang ate. Ganun na.
Slice mo lang.
So, pag umorder ako ng steak, lagi akong medium rare. Idiretso mo ate.
Kasi parang ang lansa niya. Hindi sorry Ikaw ba?
Hindi siya ayaw niya din.
Ayoko nun. Parang malansang...
Siguro may nakasalubong kayo na steak na gano'n. Yung malansa.
Hindi. Eh, di ba sa baboy pala, ay sa baboy, sa bango din.
Ako kasi kaya ayoko ng well done. Kasi
Ay, yung sobrang ano niya, no? Tama ka. Tama ka.
pero hindi naman yung parang
Oo, kasi ano yun? Oo.
malambot kasi ng mga ano daw.
Yung bagay.
Yung sa Bluetooth daw, yung lasa yung tanim ka. Pero yung pagkainan lang daw ng
So exactly is okay, right?
Yes. No.
Saka yung cheesecake.
Okay, okay.
Pero ate, ano yung ano? Minsan mo bang mix? Bakit mag-iba yung lasa niya?
Panindigan niyo yung papanindigan ko. Ayun.
Kasi namang iyaan, isang paso.
Sharing is caring. Basta kapag na-enjoy mo yung client mo, here, may
Friendly siya sa akin, ha? Parang she can talk to everyone. Approachable.
Hindi, tingin ko naninilig ko nang i-approach eh. Ito si Iris. Ha?
Kahit nasa metro.
Lahat ba? Ay, kung sa bagay, tinawag ako nito, hindi ako kilala eh.
Ako hindi. Ako ate.